Hello, in this video I'll show you how to divide mixed numbers without converting to improper fractions. So let's get started. So we have an example which is 5 and 8 over 11 divided by 4 and 3 over 7. The first thing you want to do is to multiply both of the fractions by 7. So all you want to do is to multiply you guessed it, multiply by 7 here, and multiply 7 on this side too. Make sure it applies to the whole mixed number, not just the fraction, nor only the whole number. It's always multiplied by the whole mixed number times that whole number. Alternatively, you can use the fraction method. It will just give you the same result. I'll show you. Oops. Alright, and then you can also use the fraction way like this. It's like when you divide decimals, decimal by decimal, or whole number divided by decimal, you always multiply, you shift the decimal point when you divide decimals until the divisor is a whole number. This is the exact same thing we're gonna do. Now all I have to do is to multiply. And if you don't know how to multiply a mixed number times a whole number, I'll show you. First, multiply the whole number by that whole number. 5 times 7, which is 35. And 8 times 7, make sure multiply the numerator by that number, which is 56. And then bring that 11. So we have is 35 and 56 over 11, but we don't want it to stay as an improper fraction. We need to convert it back to a proper fraction. So in order to do this, all you do is to let's see. Right, I think all you do is to do this trick. Like this, I think. And then all you do is to take this, that number on the right, and then you bring that thing there. And then all you do is to subtract 6 minus 5. That's 1. Yeah, this is how you do the trick without dividing it. Dividing it, it's just simply is just waste time. So the conversion of it is just simply 5 and 1 over 11. But we need to add 35 plus 5. So 35 plus 5 it's 40. So the answer is 40 and 1 over 11. Now, all we do, the next one here, all we have to do is to multiply the whole number. 4 times 7, which is 28. And then 3 over 7 times 7, well, the 7s cancel out. So it just leaves us with, you get it, 3. Now all you have to do is to add them up. 28 plus 3, that's 31. Now we have a better fraction. And now if you want to write it in the full division form, it's like this. Oops. It's like this. Now all you have to do is to the KCF, which means keep, change, flip. So all you do is to keep this first fraction. So you write it the same what it is, and then you switch to multiplication. I'm using a dot for multiplication, and then you flip that whole number. So if you want to flip, think of it as like a 1 under it. Just think of it as like a 1 under it. And then you flip it to its, reciprocal. So reciprocal of 31 is just 1 over 31. The reciprocal of any whole number, it's just 1 over that specific number. Now, all I have to do is to multiply. And if you want to multiply, I'll show you. All you do is to multiply the fraction by the whole number and fraction by fraction. So, if you want to do this, first thing we have to do is to do the whole number, which is 40 times 1, which is 40, and then bring that 31 like this. And then all you do to convert it to a mixed number, all you do is do like this. All you do is to subtract the numerator to the denominator. So 40 minus 31, that's 9. And then all you do is write a 1 here. And then all you do is to write over 31. Like that. So the answer is 1 and 9 over 31. The next one we have to do is to multiply fraction by fraction. So 1 times 1, well, you get it, 1. Simple. And then at the bottom is 11 times 31. I know the trick. It's like this. And then all you do is to add them up. But how are you supposed to add them up? Well, currently, they're improper fractions. So, you need to find a way to get them the same. I prefer same denominator rather than that. I think it's called common denominator, but I prefer same denominator as my choice. But anyway, let's solve this. All you do is multiply by 11 like this. But for 431, we don't have to do anything. So basically, if you have a 1-digit number times 11, you can just duplicate that digit. So 9 times 11, which is 99, and 31 times 11, well, it's 341, as you've seen it. Now, all you do is to add that fraction to that same fraction. So 99 plus 1 is 100. So I guess the answer is 1 and 100 over 341. So yeah, that's probably the answer. So the answer to, hold on, give me a sec. The answer to 5 and 8 over 11 divided by 4 and 3 over 7 is, give me a sec, is 1 and 100 over 341. So I guess this is the answer to this problem. If I get it wrong, I have to revote this video. But this is how you divide mixed numbers without converting to improper fractions. So I guess this is how you do it. And thanks for watching. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.